Measles. Recognizable symptoms: red rash, high fever, cough, watery eyes, runny nose. Prevention measures: get MMR vaccine, wash hands frequently, avoid contact with infected individuals, maintain environmental hygiene, ensure good ventilation in living spaces. Whooping cough. Recognizable symptoms: persistent cough, whooping sound, difficulty breathing, vomiting after coughing, fatigue. Prevention measures: get DTP vaccine, wash hands frequently, avoid contact with infected individuals, maintain personal hygiene, manage symptoms effectively.